when I was saying about the SKODA's designs, I forgot one of the most important features. It's only just come to me, I only just remembered it, and it's from a car I sold years ago, and I discovered it by accident. I just didn't know. So, you've got the boot. There you go, boot. Over here, there's two electric switches really. There's one here and there's one there. That one, if you just want to get in the boot, you just release that. Now, watch what happens if I go over to this side, I click that, red brake light comes, and then I go over to the other handle, lift it up. It's a hatchback. How clever is that? So, hatchback, lean in, you've got your hard rear load cover there, little strap there to pull it down. So that was the hatchback. Just go back to it, boot. Boot, soft close, hatchback. Little things please little minds, but what a great idea that is, and I can't remember seeing that on any other car. So anyway, now I've showed you that, I'll take you for a ride in it.